one of my favorite songs from the 80s, Time After Time. Cyndi Lauper, just beautiful song, and the guitar solo in the middle is just so tasteful and beautiful. Love it. Anyway, I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, and let's get right to this lesson. It's super fun. So we begin here in C major, right here, and it goes F, C, F, C, and it goes lion in my F, C. But you can hear, for the most part, I'm leaving this open E string ringing most of the song. So I'm going F, C, F, C. It does that, over and over and over again during the verse until it goes, you say, that goes from F to G, E minor, F, F, G major, E minor. Left behind, F to G, E minor, F, and then it starts the verse again. So this is a little, specific part of the song. Then it goes again to the verse. Time after some time, think of me. Back to the F, F to C, F, F, C, F, C, F, C, F, C, F, C, and then it goes F, G, E minor, F, G, E minor, a lot of chords. The second hand back to G, that goes from F to G, hand unwinds, E minor, F, and then it goes into the chorus finally. When you look, G, A minor, you will find me, A minor, F, F to G, and I'm even hitting that open E right there on the G chord, to C, right there. And you saw at the beginning I went, so you're hitting the C chord like that, you're hitting that note of the C chord and putting your pinky on the third fret of the E string, and playing a G chord, and I'm leaving that pinky there for a second and taking it off and going time, F, G to C. So one more time, G, A minor, F, G, C, and then the ending goes time after time, F, G, C, over and over again. So rewind, pause, hit slow-mo if you need to. You just got to learn, you got to memorize the song, but then the chords are really easy and fun. They just take a little bit of getting used to. Let me know how you do. I'd love to hear it in the comments, and hit like and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.